Racing just started. We have Substantial. Break quickly at the start. Running by the rail. Touch of class. Conquista Boy. Winking Eye. Ranori inside. Now is Tejas Best. Real Heaven in the middle portion. Run like the wind. Perfection comes next. My Sweet Swanee. Don Vito. Jupiter Thunder. While Winning Habit is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Touch of Class by our length and a half. Conquista Boy is right behind in second. Winking Eye is racing in third. Substantial comes next, then followed over by Perfection. Next on line is Real Heaven. Down on the inside now is Tejas Best. Moving up, Don Vito. Run like the wind, Jupiter Thunder. My Sweet Swanee. Mile Winning Habit. Now racing in less. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Conquista Boy by about 3/4 of a length lead. Perfection is down on the inside, and on the outside, Winking Eye. Then here comes Substantial. Real Heaven comes next. Jupiter Thunder. Don Vito likewise now coming closer, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Conquista Boy this time by about 3 lengths. Perfection in second. Substantial in the middle portion is Jupiter Thunder. Last 100 meters, we have Conquista Boy by about 4 lengths, followed by Jupiter Thunder, and finally Conquista Boy. Jupiter Thunder, Perfection, Substantial, Winning Habit, and Real Heaven.
7-6, 11-5.